Hey, I'm Sam. I'm on the marketing team here at Local Eclectic, and I'm going to talk all about crystals in honor of our brand new crystal manifestation collection.
Crystals are believed to have their own unique energy, which gives them all specific properties and meanings. Some crystals are used specifically for emotional balance and to soothe the mind, while others are used to create fiery passion and radical transformation. There's a crystal out there for any type of energy you're wanting to bring into your life. Manifestation is the process of willing something into being, like an event, an object, a feeling, or a mood, using the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. So in short, manifestation is the process of making something happen by believing it will happen. Crystals help the manifestation process by giving off the same type of energy you're trying to attract. For example, if you want to manifest love, use rhodonite, which has loving properties. And if you're trying to manifest change and transformation, angel aura quartz has transformative energy. My favorite way to use these crystal necklaces for manifestation is to wear them as a constant reminder of the energy you want to attract. When you put on your necklace, take a moment to set an intention of the exact kind of energy you want to bring into your life. Manifestation is all about keeping that energy top of mind so that you believe in it and therefore call it into your life. You can shop the Manifestation Crystal Collection now at localeclectic.com. Happy manifesting!